Thomas Rowe Price Jr. was the father of growth investing. He says, embrace stocks, don't stay out of the market. So even during a recession, you should be in the market. Financial markets are cyclical. Invest in good companies long term. Focus on stock picking for the long term. Do your fundamental research. Invest in well-managed companies in promising industries expected to outperform the economy. So much of this advice from all of these experts is just very, very, very similar. So the key for you is to be consistent and follow that advice and not let your emotions get involved. I think that's the problem with most people. We get emotional. My father would get attached to certain stocks. Hope is such a powerful thing. But if you can turn that off and listen to the experts, you can do very, very well in this.